So today I'm sharing a hair realization that honestly stopped me in my tracks. This is one of those moments where you think you're doing everything right, but one little small, incy wincy, tiny little bitty thing is quietly holding you back. Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Okay, so let's talk about it. So after years of caring for my hair, growing my hair, retaining length, trying out different regimens like the indigenous strands in particular regimen, where you use olive oil, flaxseed gel, castor oil, and you do the twist and you just continue to hydrate and moisturize. Well, it was working. It's been working for my hair for a few years now, but it seems that I recently realized that olive oil, I'm a little choked up about it because I love me some olive oil. Well, it's no longer serving my low porosity hair. And I don't know, get in the comments if you're familiar with porosity. Hair porosity, low porosity, I think it's a normal porosity or medium porosity, and then there's high porosity. Well, I fall into the low porosity category. Comment down below if you're familiar with that, and if you are familiar with that, come school your girl. Teach me about this, because I've heard about it over the years. You hear about that, but I never really paid it any mind, right? Because I'm a trial and error type girl. I like to try different things, and whatever works, stick with it, right? So apparently my hair changed. Maybe I was medium to high porosity hair because olive oil had been working for me, but at some point I'm now low porosity, apparently. So from what I understand, low porosity is where your hair cuticles are closed, not receptive to any type of oils or creams unless your hair is heated or wet. So particularly with low porosity hair, it's best to use light oils, and olive oil is not a light oil. Castor oil is not a light oil. It's very heavy. Both are heavy oils. So instead of me using olive oil and castor oil with this particular regimen that I'm speaking of, the indigenous strands regimen, check her out. She's the bomb. She's awesome. I'm going to have to start using lighter oils such as grapeseed oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil. Okay, so I'm switching my oils. I'm doing the same regimen because I do believe, I am a believer that wearing my hair in twists and in braid outs and in mini braids, all that is working for my hair just fine. It's just that I need to make a little slight change, and instead of using heavier oils, I'm going to go ahead and start using the lighter oils and start obeying. Like, I've been ignoring this for a long time. And so it just explains why my hair has been like staying in a plateau length. It explains it. It explains a lot about why I have to constantly trim my ends in stagnant length. Like every time I straighten my hair, or I go to the salon, oh, your ends are horrible. Yeah, you need to cut this much or this much, 2 to 3 inches every time. And I'm like, well, I am very consistent with my regimens, as you guys can see on my channel. Very consistent when it comes to making sure my ends are moisturized. And for whatever reason, my hair is now low porosity and it's not taking in, as no matter how much I apply olive oil, it's just sitting there. I mean, in misery. So that blew my mind with my hairstylist. She was breaking it down to me and she explained, well, you're applying the olive oil, but have you noticed how greasy it is? Is it really, really oily? And I'm like, yeah, it's really oily. And she's like, well, it's just sitting there on top of your hair strand. It's not going anywhere. It's not penetrating through the strand. It's just sitting there. And deep inside of that strand, it's suffering. It's weak. It's dry. So that explains why you're having to constantly trim your ends. And it's like I'm growing my hair. I'm being real consistent, y'all. I'm doing my tea rinses. I'm like doing my scalp massaging. I'm doing I had a challenge with my beauties in the membership. We did a scalp massage challenge, and I know it's like my hair is growing and I'm getting all this length, but when it's time to check my ends and the health that it's in, it's not so good. It's like see-through and it's weak, and it was just mind-blowing. I'm like, well, I'm doing all of this right here, but my ends are still suffering. Hey beauties, I got some exciting news. Channel memberships are here. When you join, you'll get access to exclusive perks like fun challenges, more in-depth hair care tips, behind-the-scenes content, personalized advice, product discounts, and so much more. This is our special space to connect on a deeper level, share our hair journeys, and grow together as a true beauty community. So don't miss out. Hit that join button today and let's level up our hair care journey together. Link in the description and comment section. So I am so sad because I love me some olive oil. I do. But I'm not that sad because I also remember when I used to use grapeseed oil back in the day. I used to use grapeseed oil. I don't know why I stopped. I think because of the whole thing about this indigenous strands, and that's what she used. And y'all see her hair. Y'all see her hair. Her hair loves olive oil, apparently. She must be normal to high porosity. I don't know. But it works for her. And it's not that the regimen is not good. It's just that I don't have to use the exact things that she's using. I don't have to use olive oil. I can use lighter oils, which I will be using jojoba oil and grapeseed oil, as well as maybe do a little mixture of argan oil in there. But anyway, y'all, I just had to tell y'all what I learned about low porosity hair. So if you're low porosity hair and you have been following my journey, girl, you have not been really misled, because I honestly didn't know. But now that we know, we can change up the oils together. So if you have low porosity hair, there's different websites. You go online, they have quizzes where you can quiz to see if your hair is low, what porosity your hair is. So go check them out and just give your hair a test to see if it's low porosity, high porosity, or a medium porosity. And I'll tell you, it will make such a difference. So now that I know for sure, and I'm not being stubborn about it, I'm low porosity. I have just accepted that, and I am going to use the products that is most compatible with my low porosity hair. So follow me on my journey as I have uncovered this. I'm glad. Unfortunately, it's at the end of the year, and I've been doing this for quite some time now, and I've been growing hair, but then I have to clip. So I'm like stagnant in waist length or above, you know. So the goal is to get to tailbone length. So now that I'm no longer ignorant about this, and I have been schooled and educated on low porosity and not to use heavier oils, maybe we can see some progress and see tailbone length. We'll see how my ends flourish with. Now I'm using my grapeseed oil, my jojoba oil, and argan oils, y'all. So I have embraced it and I'm ready. So just to make sure I'm covering all bases, I'm going to read to y'all what low porosity hair is, medium porosity, and high porosity. So low porosity hair means your cuticles are tightly closed. Water and products tend to sit on top of the strand instead of absorbing in. That's why low porosity hair can feel product coated, greasy, or dry at the same time. Okay, that's low porosity. So medium porosity, hair absorbs moisture easily and holds up well. This hair type usually responds great to most products. Are you medium porosity or normal porosity? I'm jealous. I wish I was. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Do your hair changes porosity over time? I don't know. So high porosity is hair has raised or damaged cuticles, so moisture gets in fast, but escapes just as fast, leading to dryness and breakage. Knowing your porosity is just as important as knowing your curl pattern. Okay, which I know is 4C. My curl pattern is 4C. Okay, so y'all, that's porosities. Hopefully you know what porosity your hair falls under and you won't make the same mistake I made. Okay, beauties, so let's continue our journey. We're going to continue doing our scalp massage techniques. If you haven't already joined the membership, please go ahead and join now and check out the challenge that we did on scalp massages, y'all. Let's grow this hair. Also, I'm going to continue to do my tea rinses. I'm going to continue to follow Indigenous Strands hair regimen, replacing it with grapeseed oil and jojoba oils and argan oils, the lighter oils, of course. I'm going to continue to wear my protective styles, which y'all already know, my mini twists or just regular twists, my braids, my mini braids, and I'm going to kind of venture into the braid outs and the twist outs too, because I like those. And most importantly, consistency is key, and staying patient, y'all. It's a journey. It's not a marathon. It's not a race, which is why I'm cool that I'm learning. Y'all, it's okay. It's okay to learn something new every single day, especially when it comes to taking care of your hair. All this time I've been on a go with, growing my hair, expediting and stimulating my hair growth. I've been doing it. I think I got that part down. But now that I know that what I've been doing with regards to the hairier oils, kind of slowed, it slowed me down a little bit. But now I know. So I'll do better. You do better when you know better, right? So now I know better. But yeah, I'm going to continue to rock my protective styles. The videos coming soon. Or maybe I want to do a mini braids. Yeah, I want to do mini braids on my hair. I've never applied those. The last time I had mini braids, my daughter did them for me. So I don't know. Do y'all have some pointers on how to braid hair? Because I can braid. Y'all don't get me wrong, but it's not my thing. So I don't know how that's going to turn out. But it's something that I'm willing to do with my beauty. But we're just going to continue to learn and grow together and do all the things that our hair loves. Hopefully, all my beauties that are low porosity, you're not going to use the heavier oils anymore. I know it's like we're going to have a ceremony. We're going to have a ceremony for the olive oil and the castor oils. We're going to just put them to rest for now. And maybe sometime in the future, olive oil and castor oil might be my go-tos. Who knows? But for now, low porosity it is, and I need to use lighter oils. Moving forward, actually I'm excited about using jojoba oil and grapeseed oil and argan oil because they have some awesome benefits. So I'm actually excited about this change. I'm embracing it because they all have their own unique benefits, and I'm happy to know and learn that my hair actually prefers it. So we should reap all the benefits from using it. So if you're low porosity and you're constantly trimming and not really seeing any growth or any length, check your oils. Check your oils and change your oils to lighter oils and see what that does for you. Sometimes it's not what you're not doing, it's what you need to let go of. Let that sink in. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, share it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Be sure to watch any of these videos that shows up next.
Worth is more than skin deep. Mind and soul in harmony keep. Healthy hair and healthy mind.